Hey guys, so the other day our Japanese friend Mamu took us out to watch a firework display, after which we went for a really lovely Japanese dinner. But earlier that day we walked around the neighborhood with my grandma and we took our camera with us to show you what our neighborhood looks like. So welcome to our life in Japan! So it's not really nice weather out, but at least it's not too hot because it has been very hot the last few days. So we're just gonna check out to see if my grandma wants to go for a walk.ああ、そうですね。柿です。
いっぱいなってるよ。
あ、猫ちゃん。はい、どうもしゃま、どうも。So we're at Nitori, which is like the Japanese IKEA, but I think it's a little bit cheaper and better quality, to be honest. And we're actually looking for a pan, and I think I'm in the right aisle. Unfortunately, it was a small Nitori, so they didn't have what we needed. That's alright though.
Pop or soda? A pop.
I want to have the normal black tea. Hi. これはピーチお願いします。ピーチ。
ピーチ。
はい。はい、ピーチです。はい。Which looks like to buy.
This one's pancakey. Oh, finding Dory.
Yes.
Who's Dory?
I'm not gonna tell you. Yeah. Oh, すごい。あ、そう。わあ、面白い。おお。ああ、猫ちゃん。ああ。ドラえもんですよ。ドラえもんでしたよ。
あれドラえもん？
ああ、そう。 So we're at this Okonomiyaki Restaurant with our friend Mamu, Satoko, and they're making Okonomiyaki.
もうちょっともらっていい？この開始。
まだまだ。
あ、まだまだ。
できた。でもまだだからね。
あ、そうね。
これさ、とろっとしてないの？
いいんじゃないの、いいんじゃないの。
あ、すごいすごいすごい。うわー、すごい。
いい匂いだね。
Oh my god。
できた。よかった。
美味しいですね。あ、すごい。すごい。どうも。